Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. And today, basically, from the description, you should be able to tell that I'm doing my foundation, contour, and highlight routine. And basically, right here, I'm just using my primer to prime my face. Then I'm going to use my Origins eye cream to add that on my eye bag area. Cause listen, I have some bags that they need to go cause they ain't the right bags. Then I'm going to my LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is the orange one to kind of help to cancel out the darkness under my eyes and around my lip area. I'm going to use my foundation brush to basically blend this out. And listen, y'all, for the whole time that I'll be doing like around my eye area, y'all will be seeing my eyes going up and down. So it's just the process because I gotta get in there and make sure it's blend properly. Now I'm going with my Fenty Beauty foundation and my Bobbi Brown foundation, and I'm gonna mix these two to get my foundation shade. I mean, they are my foundation shade, but I just like to mix it because sometimes I like my face to be like on the matte side. Now I'm basically just using my brush to distribute the product on my face and blend it out all over my face. And y'all will see like where I added the orange corrector. You guys can like look at it and pull back to the beginning of the video and see the difference of like, oh, my eye bags are not that bright. Occasionally I'll also add my foundation like all the way down to my neck, but this video was basically something that I was just doing just to do because I was gonna take it off. I wasn't going anywhere. I'm going in my beauty blender, and this is a damp beauty blender. I didn't say wet, I said damp beauty blender. There's no water dripping from it, so I said damp. And I'm basically just using this to like go over my foundation just to make sure that everything is smooth and in place and blend properly. Now I'm going with my concealer, and this is a Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm just gonna add that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead, also some on my chin. And then I'm gonna use the same beauty blender to basically blend out the concealer on my face. And if y'all notice, like I did bring the concealer up to like kind of help slim down my nose, and I'm not doing this too crazy because originally I don't have a slim nose, so I don't want to do it too slim and then I look crazy. So I just kind of bring it up a bit and blend it out, and then y'all will see later on how I use my contour powder to do it. After that, I'm just gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm gonna put the powder in the same exact spots that I added the concealer, just to help lift my face. And if you guys notice also, like my concealer is not crazy light, it's like not far from my skin tone, maybe like one shade or two shade away from my skin tone. because I don't like my concealer to be crazy, like boom in your face concealer. You know what I'm saying? It's I like it to be more natural, so it's not like, oh, she really does have some concealer. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I like my concealer to be more natural, and I'm also using that, like the remainder, to go along my jawline to help contour that out. Now I'm basically going to my MAC powder, and I'm just using this to set my face after the foundation and concealer. And if you notice, I'm going in a patting motion, not a pulling motion where I'm just like swiping the brush down my face, because I do not want my foundation to start lifting up or creasing up or anything crazy like that. After that, I'm going to my Makeup Forever HD stick, and I'm just gonna use this actually to contour my jawlines and my forehead, and I'll use my face powder to actually contour my nose, because as I said, I do not like a crazy nose contour. I'm gonna use my same foundation brush, by the way, to blend this out, so it's like I'm not using 1,000 brush just to get one face job done, you know. And if you notice, I also added some under my jawline just to help, with like the view of my face, then to help sharpen up my face view, then so that's basically what I did when I added the concealer. Sorry, not the concealer, when I added the contour stick under my jawline. Actually, it's a foundation stick, but it's dark enough to work as a concealer. So take note, you don't always have to go out there and get a whole contour stick. You can use a foundation stick if you have it and it's dark enough. Now basically I'm doing the same thing. I'm using my sponge to just go over the lines again, make sure that there are not any harsh lines. And now I'm going into my Anastasia contour kit, and I'm using the middle shade in the top row to just basically go over the contour to set it. Now here is the section where I'm actually going in with my face powder to contour my nose. And if you notice, the lines aren't as harsh as me going in with my foundation powder to do like my nose. It's not as harsh. And then I was going with my beauty blender after that, just to smooth things out. Now this is my Ofra blush, and it's not a crazy blush either. It's on the neutral side, so it's not loud and in your face either. And I'm basically just applying that right there, overlapping the conceal the oh my god, why can't I speak today? Overlapping the contour that I just did on my cheek. After that, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Luster Dust for highlight, and it's kind of like dark-ish, so it's not as bright as some other highlighter. So after that, I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetic highlighter, and I'm gonna use the shade Dream. And for my nose, I'm gonna use the shade Radiant, because Radiant is a lot more darker, so it won't let my nose look crazy. So right here, I'm just applying the highlighter, and you guys will see for yourself like how it build up. But of course, I'm not gonna leave it this harsh. I'm gonna go over it with my beauty blender as always to kind of tone it down. and your face will still be booming after you tone it down. So don't feel like, oh, because I went in with my beauty blender it's gonna be crazy dull. No. So right here I'm doing this basically the same. I'm going over my nose, like right in the center of my nose, and then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. After that, I'm just gonna basically go in with my MAC chestnut lip liner, line my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with my Galactic, hoping that I'm saying that correct. I got that in my BoxyCharm box, and that's a lipstick. I'm gonna use that to do my lips, and then actually I'm gonna step off camera and do my eyeshadow, which I will have in another video, so look out for that one. And yeah, that's basically the end of this video. Hope you guys learned something, and subscribe to my channel, comment, let me know, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.